अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए नोबल गैस। द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज नाइट्रोजन, ऑप्शन बी इज हीलियम, ऑप्शन सी इज ऑर्गन एंड ऑप्शन डी इज नियॉन। द राइट ऑप्शन इज नाइट्रोजन विच इज नॉट ए नोबल गैस। Question number second is magnesium ribbon is rubbered before burning because it has a coating of option A basic magnesium carbonate, option B basic magnesium oxide, option C basic magnesium sulfide and option D basic magnesium chloride. The right option is option B, that is basic magnesium oxide. Next question is a chemical reaction does not involve option A is formation of new substances having entirely different properties than that of the reactants. Option B is breaking of old chemical bonds and formation of new chemical bonds. Option C is rearrangement of the atoms of reactants to form new products. Option D is changing of the atoms of an element into those of another element to form new product. So the right option is option D, that is changing of the atoms of one element into those of another element to form a new product. Next question is which of the following energy sources cannot be replenished in short period of time? Option A is natural gas, option B is hydroenergy, option C is geothermal energy and option D is wind energy. The right option is natural gas, which is a non-renewable source of energy. Next question is मर्करी से मिनीमाटा डिजीज होती है, इटाई डिजीज किस एलिमेंट से होती है? द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज कैडमियम, जिसकी वजह से इटाई डिजीज होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिजीजेज इज नॉट कॉज्ड बाय वायरसेस? First option is hepatitis, option B is measles, option C is chickenpox and option D is cholera. The right option is option D, cholera, because it is a bacterial disease. Next question is the causal organism of polio is option A bacteria, option B virus, option C fungi, option D protozoa. The right option is option B, that is virus. Next question is which of the following vitamins is soluble in water? Option A is vitamin A, option B is vitamin D, option C is vitamin E and option D is vitamin C. The right option is option D, that is vitamin C. Next question is the energy that is harnessed from the volcanic region under the earth's surface and is used to generate power and heat is known as? Option A is wave energy, option B is windmill energy, option C is spring energy, option D is geothermal energy. The right option is geothermal energy. Next question is in biotic community the primary consumers are option A is carnivorous, option B is omnivorous, option C is herbivorous, option D is producers. The right option is option C, that is herbivores. Next question is earthing wire is used in AC power circuit wiring for protective grounding. Which color insulation is done as per IS code? Option A is green and yellow, option B is blue and brown, option C is black and red, option fourth is white and gray. The right option is option A, that is green and yellow. Next question is golden rice is rich in which of the following? Option A is vitamin A and nicotinic acid, option B is vitamin A and niacin, option C is beta carotene, vitamin A and folic acid, option D is beta carotene and iron. The right option is option third, that is beta carotene, vitamin A and folic acid. Next question is Vector-borne diseases account more than 17% of all in infectious diseases, causing more than 7 lakh annually. Which of the following diseases is not vector-borne? Option A is dengue, option B is filariasis, option C is cholera, and option D is chikungunya. The right option is cholera, which is a bacterial disease, or we can say which is a water-borne disease, which is not a vector-borne disease. Next question is, which of the following gases is used to extinguish fire? Option A is hydrogen, option B is butane, option third is methane, and option fourth is carbon dioxide. The correct option is carbon dioxide. Next question is, which of the following is not a unit of pressure? Option A is Pascal, option second is bar, option third is torr, and option fourth is Newton. The right option is option fourth, that is Newton, which is a force, which is a unit of force, not a unit of pressure. Next question is, when is the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer celebrated every year? Option 1st January, option 2nd 31 March, option 3rd 1st July, option 4th 16th September. The right option is 16th September. Next question is, select the option that will make the second pair analogous to the first pair. For example, vitamin B1, thiamine, riboflavin is option first vitamin B2, option second vitamin B3, option third vitamin B5, and option fourth vitamin B6. The right option is vitamin B2, which is also called as riboflavin. Next question is, which of the following liquid insecticide is used for malaria vector control as per WHO guidelines? Option first is sodium chloride, option second is sodium bicarbonate, option third is DDT, option fourth is acetic acid. The right option is option third, that is DDT. Next question is, what is the unit used to measure the quantity of ozone content in the atmosphere? Option A, Poise, option B, Dobson unit, option C, Becquerel, option D, Einstein unit. The right option is option B, that is Dobson unit. Next question is, an oxidation reaction involves addition of option A, oxygen only, option B, hydrogen only, option C, oxygen or removal of hydrogen, option D, hydrogen or removal of oxygen. The right option is option third, that is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation reaction. Next question is, which of the following wildlife reservoirs best known as the home of the Hangul or Kashmir stage is located near the city of Srinagar? Option A is Nandini Wildlife Sanctuary, option B is Overa or Wildlife Sanctuary, option C is Dachigam National Park, and option D is Ramnagar National Park. The right option is Dachigam National Park. Next question is, the odorant added to LPG to identify the leakage is option A, chlorine, option B, dimethyl sulfide, option C, ammonia, and option D, ethyl mercaptan. The right option is ethyl mercaptan. Next question is, identify the mobile app launched by the government of India for tracking COVID-19. Option A is COVID Monitor app, option second is Coronavirus Tracker, option third is Arogya Setu, option D is Arogya COVID. The right option is Arogya Setu. Next question is, bleeding of gums and delayed healing of wounds is caused due to the deficiency of. The first option is vitamin A, second option is vitamin D, third option is vitamin C, and fourth option is vitamin B. The right option is vitamin C. Next question is, in the following equation, N2 reacts with X times hydrogen gives ammonia. the value of X is, here you have to use the concept of balancing the chemical equation. Here we have 2 times nitrogen plus X times hydrogen give us 2 times ammonia. We have 2 times nitrogen on reactant side, and on product side we have also 2 times nitrogen. On product side we have 6 times hydrogen. In order to balance the number of atoms on the reactant side, I have to put 3 in replace of X. 3 2s are 6, that is we gain equal number of hydrogen atoms on both sides, reactant side as well as on product side. So the right option is option third, that is 3. Next question is, when a magnesium ribbon is burnt in air, the ash formed is, option A is black, option B is white, option C is pink, option D is yellow. The right option is option B, that is white. Next question is, one of the following processes does not involve a chemical reaction, that is, option A is melting of candle wax when heated, option B is burning of candle wax when heated, option C is digestion of food in your stomach, option D is ripening of banana. The right option is option A, that's melting of candle wax when heated. It is a physical change because candle wax is in solid state. When heated, it converts into another form that we call as liquid state. This is only a physical change. Next question is, continuous bleeding from an injured part of body is due to the deficiency of, option first vitamin B12, option second vitamin B, option third vitamin K, and option D vitamin C. The right option is vitamin K. Next question is, the ascorbic acid prevent us, option A Pellagra, option B scurvy, option C xerophthalmia, and option D is night blindness. The right option is scurvy. Next question is, Pellagra disease is caused by the deficiency of, option A is niacin, option B is tocopherol, option C is riboflavin, option D is folic acid. The right option is option A niacin, which is also called as vitamin B3. Next question is, a student writes a chemical equation of the reaction between carbon monoxide and hydrogen as, how can the reaction be classified? Option A is, it is an example of decomposition reaction, option B is combination reaction, option C is both decomposition and combination reaction, option fourth is none of the above. The right option is option B, combination reaction. Next question is, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The option first is विटामिन B12 की वजह से पर्निशियस एनीमिया होती है, विटामिन B6 से कन्वल्शंस होती है, विटामिन B1 से बेरी होती है, एंड विटामिन B2 से प्लेगरा होती है. नो, it is the mismatched option because Pellagra is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B3. Next question is, vitamin A is in another name of, option A is riboflavin, option second retinol, option C folic acid, option D retinol. The right option is option B, that's retinol. Next question is, which is the most infectious disease? Option A AIDS, option B hepatitis B, option C malaria, option D typhoid. The right option is hepatitis B, which is the most infectious and severe disease. Next question is, Widal test is used for the diagnosis of, option A is pneumonia, option B is AIDS, option C is typhoid, and option D is malaria. The right option is typhoid. Next question is, Yersenia pestis is the causative agent of, option A dengue fever, option B polio, option C typhoid, option D pneumonia. The right option is polio. Next question is, which of the following sets of diseases are caused by bacteria? The first option is cholera and tetanus, option second is typhoid and smallpox, Option D is tetanus and mumps. Option 4 is AIDS and chickenpox. The right option is option A, cholera and tetanus, which are bacterial diseases. Next question is, the vector for sleeping sickness is housefly, TSC fly, sand fly, fruit fly. The right option is option B, TSC fly. Next question is, ozone layer is present in lithosphere, ionosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere. The right option is stratosphere. Next question is, term ecology was coined by Ernest Haeckel in 1863, Ernest Haeckel in 1896, Ernest Haeckel in 2866, Ernest Haeckel in 1866. The right option is Ernest Haeckel in 1866. Next question is, which among the following is called as laughing gas? Nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide. The right option is nitrous oxide. Next question is, the type of interaction between organisms in which one is beneficial while the other remains unaffected is called as mutualism, amensalism, commensalism, predation. The right option is commensalism, in which one organism gains benefit while the other remains unaffected. Next question is, World Environmental Day is celebrating on 5th June, 5th August, 5th May, 5th July. The right option is 5th June. Next question is, in relation to gross primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem, which one of the following statements is correct? Option A, gross primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity. Option second, gross primary productivity and net primary productivity are one and same. Next option is, there is no relationship between gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. Option 4 is, gross primary productivity is less than net primary productivity. The right option is, there is no relationship between gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. Next question is, Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987 for control of emission of ozone depleting substances, release of greenhouse gases, disposal of electronic wastes, transport of genetically modified organisms. The right option is emission of ozone depleting substances. Next question is, quicklime is sulfur dioxide, calcium hydroxide, calcium oxide, sodium hydroxide. The right option is calcium oxide, which is called as quicklime. Next question, which among the following is liquid at room temperature? Cadmium, mercury, lead, nickel. The right option is mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Next question is, pyramid of number in grassland and pond ecosystem is inverted, upright, spindle-shaped, insufficient data. The right option is upright. Next question is, which among the following is an example of secondary pollutant? Carbon monoxide, DDT, sulfur dioxide, ozone. The right option is ozone, which is an example of secondary pollutant. Next question is, Biodiversity Day is observed on 29th December, 29th June, 30 December, 30 June. The right option is 29th December. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe us for more updates.